Program number 20. Consider the series object S13 that stores the contribution of each section as shown below. Section wise contribution has given. Now write code to modify the amount of section A as 7600. Section A's contribution has given 6700. That one you will change as a 7600. And for section C and D as 7000. Section C contribution 5000, section D's contribution is 5200. This one also will change. Print the changed object. So change object only will display. So which one? Section A, section C and section D. Now, so these values and the contribution amount are stored in the list S equal to, and this one module you should first call because series object we are calling, and then S13, this is the series object, so that is why this object only we will write equal to pd.series index equal to y for y in ABCD. ABCD, this is the section name as an index we stored, so ABCD. These two variables, if you will write different y x for y, then it will generate as an error. Okay, so that is why these two variables should be seen. Y for y as a for loop, you remember, for I in range, then we are writing as a range values. So same things for I in range, this one, and same I variable will calling for displaying. Data equal to S. Data equal to S means because this list we are storing in which variable? S variable. So that is why S. Now section A. Section A we want to change as a 7600. So that is why S13, because this series after converted where we stored in S13. So S13 of A. Whenever you want to change the value through the index, so that times index you should call in the list. So S13 A equal to 7600. S13 C to D. C to D, because C to D we want to change as of 7000. So C to D 7000. Now C and D and A, if you will see, these all are label index. So that is why in the slicing, if we will call as a label index, it will accept as a last index also. Okay, but positional index it will not accept. And then after S13 we will print. Now run it. See, A 7600, B 5600, this one we didn't change, C 7000, D 7000 and integer 64. Now I am going to show you second and third method also. This is the first method. Second method, what we can do, because this is the label index, so in this label index we can call through the positional index also. So whenever label index will call through the positional index, so that times we should write ILOC 0. So section A as 0 index, section B 1 index, section C third index and section D fourth index. Okay, so now 0 index, this one we can change as a 70, and this one 3 and 4. 3 and 4, this is 2, 1 afterwards 2. Index 2 and this is index number 3. So whenever 2 and 3 will call, this is the positional index. So that is why we have to call in the next number. So 4. So then 2 and 3 will accept it. Now you will call to the print command, it will come. Now this one will come with the warning. This one also will accept. S13 0 for 7600 and S13 2 to 4 means without ILOC. This one also will come. Output means output will generate but with our warning. Okay, so second and third method also you will try.